Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving deep into the iQOO 13, one of the most powerful smartphones of 2025. iQOO has always been known for delivering flagship-level performance at a competitive price, but does the iQOO 13 live up to the hype? Let's find out. The iQOO 13 features a sleek and premium design with a glass back and an aluminum frame. It comes with an IP68 and IP69 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. Available in multiple colors: black, white, and a special racing edition. It weighs around 200 grams, making it solid yet comfortable to hold. The phone sports a 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate. A stunning 3168x1440 QHD plus resolution ensures crisp visuals. The display boasts 4500 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. HDR10 Plus support enhances color accuracy and contrast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm processor, this phone ensures top-tier performance. It is paired with the supercomputing chip Q2 for AI-enhanced gaming and efficiency. Storage options include 12GB RAM with 256GB, 16GB RAM with 512GB, or 16GB RAM with 1TB. There is no microSD support. The phone runs on Android 15 with Funtouch OS 15 for a smooth user experience. For gaming, the advanced vapor chamber cooling system prevents overheating during long sessions. The 4D game vibration and dual stereo speakers provide an immersive experience. With a 144 Hz refresh rate combined with 1.5K resolution, gaming feels ultra smooth. The iQOO 13 comes with a triple rear camera setup, a 50 megapixels primary sensor with OIS, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The front houses a 32 megapixel selfie camera with AI enhancements. The phone supports 8K video recording and includes Super Night mode for stunning low-light photography. Equipped with a 6150 mAh dual-cell battery, the iQOO 13 supports 120W FlashCharge for ultra-fast charging, going from 0 to 100% in about 20 minutes. Wireless charging is not available, but reverse charging is supported. The phone supports 5G with multiple bands, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for seamless connectivity. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner ensures fast unlocking. AI-powered features like smart scene recognition and voice assist enhance user experience. Some of the best things about this phone include the super powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the stunning 144 Hz AMOLED display, an impressive 50 megapixels triple camera setup, ultra-fast 120W charging, and IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. However, it lacks wireless charging, has no expandable storage, and Funtouch OS may not be to everyone's taste. The iQOO 13 is priced at around $650–$850 depending on the variant. It is expected to launch in China first, followed by global markets. The iQOO 13 is an absolute beast when it comes to performance, display, and charging speed. If you're a gamer or power user looking for flagship performance at a slightly lower price, this phone is a solid choice. However, if you need wireless charging or expandable storage, you might want to consider other options. That's all for today's in-depth review of the iQOO 13. Let me know in the comments what you think about this smartphone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.